Guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I'll chain 80. If you have created the foundation chain, I'll make sure that my chain is not twisted. Then through the last chain from the hook, I'll make a slip stitch. So now if you created this loop, I will chain 3. Then through that same chain, we need to make 2 double crochet cluster. This 3 chain already counts as 1, so we'll just make 1 double crochet because there's no other way to make a double crochet cluster in the beginning of a row. Then I'll chain 3. Now through that same chain, I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Oh. I'll skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and through the 4th chain I will make 2 double crochet cluster. Chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. I'll skip the next 3 chains and through this 4th chain I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. I'll skip the next 3 chains, through this 4th chain I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. I'll skip the next 3 chains and through this 4th chain I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. So I'll repeat this throughout row 1. Now to finish row 1, right here through this second double crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now this pattern is just a 1 row repeat. So for row 2 we'll just repeat row 1. It'll be a bit different but it'll be easier because for first row we worked on a foundation chain and we had to count and stuff. But now we only work through these 3 chain loops. So right here through this next 3 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 3. Then through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3. And through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 3, then through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 3, then through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 3, then through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 3, then through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 3, then through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. So we repeat this throughout row 2, and when we reach row 2 we'll just join just the way we did in row 1. So yeah, for the pattern we repeat row 2. So we repeat row 2 until our work reaches our desired length. So we repeat row 2 until our work measures 7 inches. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rows. So now we'll start to decrease. Now through this next 3 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch, then I'll chain 3. Now through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Let me see, did I say 11 rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, yes. 11, now row 12. Yeah, so this is row 12. Now I'll chain 3, then through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet cluster. Through the next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Through the next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. So I'll repeat this throughout row 12. Now to finish row 12, right here through this next double crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 12. Now for row 13, right here through this next 3 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 3, then through the same chain I'll make then through the same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next double crochet cluster chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Through this next double crochet cluster chain right here through the center where we are decreasing in the previous row I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Now right here to the center through that double crochet cluster where we are decreasing in the previous row I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Through this double crochet cluster chain through the center I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. Now right here through the center through a double crochet cluster chain where we have decreased in the previous row I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet cluster. So I'll repeat this throughout row 13. Now to finish row 13, right here through this first double crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 13. Now for row 14 I'll chain 3, then I'll decrease through all of the chains. Right here through this chain I insert my hook, wrap the yarn on the hook, pull through, wrap the yarn on the hook, pull through 2. Through the next chain I insert my hook, wrap the yarn on the hook, pull through, wrap the yarn on the hook, pull through 2, wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through 2. So we repeat this throughout row 14. So as you can see here I ran out of the original yarn, so I had to compromise and I use a yarn that's a bit, well, it's slightly different but still noticeable. It's a good thing that it's for the last few rows so it won't be that visible. to finish row 14, right here through this next double crochet cluster chain, I'll make a slip stitch, which is kind of like a double crochet cluster, but it's also a decrease. Now I'll chain one, then through that same chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain 1/2 double crochet. We're trying to make this loop a bit smaller so we can finish it off with a yarn needle. And this is row 15. So yeah, we're just making 1/2 double crochet through each chain until we reach the end of this row. So you see the loop is a bit smaller now, so it will be easier to close it. So now to finish row 15, right here through this first half double crochet chain, I will make a slip stitch. I will chain one, then I'll leave a medium sized tail. So yeah, we have 15 rows so far in total. Now we're going to see what we're going to do here. So I guess right here through this, I think it was 3 chain loop. Yeah, 3 chain loop, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through this slip knot loop and pull through. And now I will chain 1. Then through that same chain, I'll make 2 half double crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 2 half double crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 2 half double crochet. Through the next 3 chain loop, I'll make 2 half double crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 2 half double crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 2 half double crochet. Through the next 3 chain loop, I'll make 2 half double crochet. So I'll continue making 2 half double crochet through every 3 chain loop. It's a 3 chain loop. I probably said somewhere in some places 2 chain, but it's actually 3 chain loop. And now that we are at the end of this row, I will just leave a medium sized tail. Now right here through this first half double crochet chain, I insert my hook. Well, yarn needle. Then right here through this chain from the back side, no, here through the center, I insert my needle. I really like to join my work this way for the last row. See, I know I always keep saying this, but I really like it. So now just weave these ends in and we will be done. You can make more rows if you want, but I feel that it's not necessary really. So it's 9.5 inches wide and it's 10.5 inches long. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.